you know, my pay Chelsea.
No, go so one made the advert.
Pay. Bet na that didn't mean tribute. Bet me can say me boy I mean try bet down.
Oh good.
Sometimes so by.
Pacho ye be di o munya Chelsea 7 no ne ndi e kontomre ne e bayire. Nana fa
Women fellowship team.
Hey, okay, say no anya.
Oh, ne o kan o momo da.
Momo da. Say I started.
Momo da.
Oh, yeah, da say.
Momo da. Ade na ye bolo. Some the say face am pese ni.
So face am na me dem face am pese.
There be so twesi.
mo we. Mo ro mo say dey yama abusanfo akwaba. Abusanfo yama makwaba.
Yeah, no.
Backyard kitchen here.
Hana
nkomo no wo, hana aduane no so wo. Nkomo so de enya bem pa aduane bem. Nti no ye nua ba agis. Apopo ama kontomre ene bayre. Ena ye de boswe. Ah, the chicken wings are come.
That's a part.
The video.
Anyway, ene ye beba nkomo. Na mo share you had them come on very very simple. Maybe atnase na ye di ahhehye so. Metnase mbe di agya nti mo amsima. Na me ni mienu bi. Me wi amatnase why? Mo da wo. Okay. So on that note na me the medua na tnase. Enen come da pono no so. Ene say ayonkofo mienu o ma di agrache. Obia nim ne bibi ba ko ye secretive pa. Ana ba ko. O de aze o kana temi ya no watwam ko. We ko school UGC. Kepo de ne friends UCC.
Yeah.
Ana ba ko so ba Legon. The o UCC no. Na one girl bi na o keep ko so. Almost the time we go school ni nyina. Inti girl no on nye Accra girl. Yempe di ma girl no Salome. Odeti Salome no. Sata money Legon no best friend but never did it cross any of them to ask we again but on him said the only Legon him said the all UCC no. Our girl a friend Salome.
Correct.
But on him no.
Okay. That is so share that.
Debbie. On him no. Into on him no. And the one Legon no on is secretive.
Okay.
Into ono de on share and discuss relationship matter but on any fan na boko pa o to the sense say ahwe abako no kra beka say on pema what I say but it's just that on kasapi by the time o wie no ne Salome ejai o wa kra we bibia on tiga on nka bi oni ade but adwumenti no na baako no two kwan Legoni no two kwan call UK kwa na masters eno ko share Salome ne wo ho from the church mu no and on Salome no eko hihye so from there but then oko UK no your friend no Baba
instead of Salome you see a friend
Baba no near their friend auntie that guy is used to the Baba than the Salome but your friend is Salome
okay not just a Salome or Ba no ono an ye wakoko share no UK na your friend Baba no
yes but this is the time the only Legon no mum na ko shia
Salome na your friend Baba no okay Matias
o ma twempran mo ma decide so mu be why o mu bedru Ghana no and o mu share save the date ni bi no and the picture be na mo year before marriage pre-shoot no and o send bi ma UCC guy no na danfo no me pese me body ntin ma use school no ere o send bi ma de o call UCC no o send ma no na no kai say but once say the date so yeah sometimes time na 1 month 2 months 3 weeks and the sign man me wo ma share data prepare bibia so 1 month to say obeware no share pictures no ma UCC
and
answer na obekare say actually what they do with this girl if that girl way I they run for UCC me sure say and then maybe one or two be anko year no ntimi ne na jai 1 or 2 be anko year no nim the entra
me patro them
or two okoto Salome say oni ne roommate anana danfo ehye so life Inte se obeka che legoni no anase. Onja. Mema mo na mo wa ha.
Asemi adi.
Obese o alert na down for say that girl is not good.
In this instance, no, be a time on me wo na me koto no in that act, no, be na dream so, and I say na ongoing through in your bia. I mean, or going through that time, no. It's at the end of the day, no. Say upper me chow me na man function, right? Because me feel say I have to move on, but one nature main country no say maybe I'll blame it on madam for no secrecy na or you know once say or you too secret in a sense say we share about pona or babe worry na o frame me wadam
so when him say o mema ni bia ye mu no ye na for
yes for me a very secret obi wo honum kra your friend say only no wo fie na na girl kra ba inquest ne enema bia obeye mo kra unhu tama girl no be kwakoshe dem honum. No about it. I understand. Say you're in Burma, be most
okay.
Yeah.
Because all can say on in a diagram all this. I went to Nina and share.
Yeah.
Get on the pictures.
Yes.
And can one say I was wondering.
Yes. And secondly, so be a girl no, we shall be free at the end of the year, no.
Okay.
It's be a nipa dear obit mama no second chance and be. It's me fear and say me catch na be na. Girl no so chance e bia no asesa for real na girl no chance no abono ana bibi
okay
and I say I'll hurt madam for no feeling because of investment ne I mean expectation or girl nin say or person on no bobra I mean to me in this case no since girl no I am a born no I wouldn't let that stop e bia happiness bia na me yonko no happiness bi
Nana
so who say
me say dia hu nyambo say na metie dia wo beka so we madam for na wo catch am gba
say
wo catch am say
what they
team da kra wo no mfi
because what to do when na your plan say we
any number 1 na number 2 wo kan bible na e tell say so se sign be here
yeah
the time no go school time we also say school there
yeah
ye ni brand up into school time no akoye bibia enenani abie watu pan wasu ani bi wanyini
yeah
it's not na be matured to the extent so no ango so na say you realize the mistakes are why no the assassin ma it's so anko yi amount just say anko yi mami kan into madam for no one here tinton time mepam wajina nche na mina
ora ana ogunsu whatever
na meka say the na say ekano I say e fa we bi I say me hwe say ada say dada me hu ni papa I say me fa kwan bi so e de e ka asem bi e kire o ma yeah I say me ma gay na be cool there but me catch was my dated pain say the be ya cause bu ha be tumi do time ne bia ma ba won chen say da so ya dan for na still na emotions bi da so me mu
tension bi wo
yeah da so ho but anti say me abadwin bo say me wani e ma wo be ma no ya we say I dey say na cause bi maybe say na odi ye me but say me ka enyam pratwe na bia maka say bia me yi mani
okay
me patroka
Abraham
okay
pacho mun keka mun komo no me yansa
de edikan adamfo na o che na dwen se oba no me na anantepen
onya nche na dwene o
se ono na
obisa se
wo issue no
ane
ana what draw na adamfo na ana ligoni no pa adwene
every ho yes
say this me nkoso anasema me nkoso that is the picture for baby I do chere say UCC ni na chere ama ligoni na hu say one ba ko no atu anamo eti ono no chere na dwen no ye ne kwanso pepepe nye saa edubre bi na ubehu a ubedi ne ho yaw
no correct
say kana wunim kura me di picture ne chewa hu ye de o say ka o mami hu eti no in the first place when I be unya se kwa be fa so obema ne hu ba unya ma ne hu wie no that's okay the main point I'm making here between the other one and oba no after who we no ma oba no the benefit of the doubt asem say na madam for ka kire me afa wo ye do ware and na me di picture kwa abontin no say na mako
my best friend pa
say na mako e dey na wo ka fa ho ma oba no the opportunity to defend himself because mate asem afa wo ho or say me makwa ma wi wo ho ano kwan bi afa so hu yi bia sɛ obi na ka kyerɛ wo sɛ wonya video still man opportunity man nyine ho ano fa video no kyerɛ no man kwan man explain no onyine ho ano sɛ otimi yi ne ho ano na e make sense ma wa de me ka kyerɛ be man odi na sɛ no ba ni sɛ de atwam man ntwam nko sesi a nipa na ne no wo sesi a ansa na video ne beba ansa na obi beka kyerɛ wo no sai na woni na yonko fa sesi wo share no na wo start ne nante yi no
why be sabo
na sɛ woni na setena mu no sɛ de because ebi a said na ba ko ne tinti no wantimi ne nante na ba said wo tinti no watimi ne wo watena it mention from many wo ayonko fa me hwɛ no woni obi ayonko fa
ba me bra eno so kan sa o se okoto se
yes
no damfo any oba no eda
yes bibi akoka papa and
the trade no correct
but enti ekwan a wo befa so ne obi atena no o da say obi ja obi ma obi ware
no correct
obi no obi date 5 years omo ware 6 months na egu ba wo share na short time mutimi ware man enti ekwan a wo fa so ne tena ye no na ama na nko yi
sa so na be so tumi date
na yo
say obema no waka kye me awie say oba no suban say ni
yes
me I won't go on with the wedding.
You won't go on?
No. Why? Because I bet torment me.
Yes.
Anytime be a me who madam funi be a.
It's all a me come.
Madam funi ba the fee pe. Me style be. Gary, when who me yere ho da o. Madam fu.
Ama. Wasa ko to so
obi so ne da o. Ebe torment me nana. It's me say me catch and say about on go on with our
personal experience.
Because Nana say me no ko warrior. You say our warrior ne kwan wa. Ubo say ebrebi entopa beba yentem akasa ba kubina. Ubo say na makwa kai ne ebia sabi madam fo e ka kire me e fa wo ho no na bia mako be ma no aka se sa wo kura sa na wote enu ti ne se madam fo we say enu den e ko dai no na to say me wo ni nya no e wo mu a sa nyoma no ye nipa once madam fo aka kire me se one wo adada no anytime mo wa madam fo me wale se den kwa na ade no wo mitim say madam fo
anything that na say so ka say na madam fo no ni agrobio
because this kind of stress na me person me dey madam fo no be shit.
Once I my best friend now we madam fo no e be torment me
okay
e be ha me e no kwa po be ma me you know so
ankoye to say woni no na wo ho mpo na mu gya ya BBNC o
no correct
we dey
video
osa watch with an evidence am osa dey abet
share me
adamfo e ka kire oba me no wo se otu kwan no wo hu se me ni odi wo oba no amama ne o ye so de ni hwe me ne nam pushia de se madamfo no next ka kam bunya 50 cities ana damfo no ho akire ana ogina ho bi ana mka tete ska akeni oba na ya we ska wo me ho ana ono so onidi na mi ma na so onji nkosa na onfa bi mre na oba nsa na se bi nimse ska aka ye nyina nimse de aka ne na ode ma no na se wa ante so ka so onidi odan ni okor ka tete wunim se de na me tu de kam cha na continue to buy no boy we na frame ka tete wo no ba wunti na
imagine
ana mka tete me share personal experience enti say oba le gina de okan ne so atwe ne hu fi mi ho a anka wase ya de papa
imagine
but because of say o share me ne na yonkofa even though asem no a wote ye no na e ha no but o share me ne na yonkofa gina so ne later no be hu say nipa we ni obi o wase o ne na because wo timi the last money e ma no so fa nko didi na ono timi be kire obi a wo ne nam se opeme ma sem che wa we na danfo a na te onya danfo papa
asem a mo kan na ebi ato me nanfofo bi mu yekoyie nti yefiri ayie no na yeko so ase yekoyie no okro bi so nti sa akurase choba no nti ayie na se na yeko choba nti didi nkomo onse boys ehia ye kasa na guy baako a wife like enye no wife for now fancy ni baby mama o hwe ni muso bi a ebetimi abaya aware na se nti nkomodidie mu na guy baako ka se ase nkomo ne koso na baako abieki so wo girl kra that time won say wo girl kra ma date ni pembe mu say woni ni wo ho no I saw na won na ase mestim ama na ase wunti mpese me de me ba ho biom na wo so nim da say enipa so mesi kura say wo na oge na eden
atwiso da
nti wo tis asem no like boys ni mu di ase ofa no
normal
ofa ne normal say wo koy ya no akofa fon afege na wo say enipa so mesi say na wo boy no na che say ho no like guy ni hu say ono hu nipa deti atena ni so
because MiPROMO sa experience no be
me
can say Michelle me guys been
Mun share the real experience. Mun share the real one.
Michelle
na yanko street nkwaje abonten so there.
And me introduce my girlfriend no man me guys so oh Charlie me girl me your friend say when you say me guy baako she me call one side e boy girl me dey tire me dey baby a girl no say I can't insense be
yes yeah me man so nim say yeah me man so you buye ho bam chen like you buye ho bam chen bibia because the one bad this no likely say na wompe yeah me man yeah
Yensi abonten yenkotie emrante a wo so no mu be ware se saasem we bi towa wo beyeden
me de me meet me worry no meet me worry hey Charlie you go traumatize myself na metio na me home a me no we didi abre school long time no hey sure no onye me hwekra na me hunu kra me medwa yeah onye me hwekra me hunu kra me bufu say madam for no nsem a me ne di hey madam for me ne di nsem pan we do so many bad things then after the me sure they work no any juma Charlie I no go fit marry myself maybe we go fit do good you know you be born come your friends but say marriage there Charlie you go traumatize me me dwen ho so we know there sad time dey me nyan who say me OG am na run it since there on na ben ho ana my life be there Charlie where need there no one say you trip no be a could feel any juma
yeah also your friend Sebe street gist say what street gist and say Sebe what is Sebe asema abeto ne there me must my dream channel is simple red flag is here pa say oba me ne wo na say oba me ba be ware no na menya hint no every madam for say one na e bibida ama wasa akwache no kra wo relationship bi mu there be ene de no intimi ento aso aware no say aka 1 week aka 3 days krampo na e betwem because nipa sesa but nipa so sesa enti no me imagine try to Sebe friend Sebe street gist so it was Facebook but remember what they know I like it the page you know and I want to pa
some de madam for ko hu oba bi na SG na say o mi na ko na me pe na so oba o ka say on na da ne girl na on ne na to da ni a me de mi hu say on na bojo amanti me de say girl pe na me so me pe no kwa dia no problem.
Hi, Busiafo. Look at what the street is also saying, Anna Brahunye. Yo, degree near the tea. Dear, I don't want the tea. Don't you come yet you. Into a damn for pound and I'm saying near day to way. Now, Mrs. Agamle, on an ashes so pain. Now, what's have more proof of the roommate and I say hostel mate.
And then farm. Say the Madia. Because he passes.
And the ambassador no down for the Belga because he said,
oh, they be madam for the yep, so or madam for. Yes, he be she say be
oh, better so.
Better so be say the be yeah, I don't go farm. I will walk back and yet to say
Caneno.
It's media. My venture, I was single.
Say can obia deserve a second chance. You since second chance in what dear. One hour coin I am Manchester me coin ye mammy.
Okay. Hello. Pacho me and fast sentiment in racing will be here more. And the any penum ne wa. Let's see where the majority goes. Or the back can the coast streets neighbor. Any social na what take a decision from it. Sana mi hunentino. Coming back from Swishano, let's conclude on Obia Adjene.
On said Nana. Kadena and Kasanka and Hannah in the first place. ka ombo ye amane ema ye discuss
ha no nti no ofe
ha no nti na che se ade no se okopre eko aware ni mu a ebe ha no nti is a no
ebe ha no in what terms never see
ebe ha no in the terms say ebe comment no to say example amama say gada obi say gada na sa madam free minimum say one me yire a ma ware no me ba be ware no adape
but Da Costa last conclusion
me da so gina say one oba no internas na mitimi ma oba no hu say madam fu we aka say afa wo ho a oba no nim say sa asem no kwatimi ma wudu su wa ware a oba na kasa betumi ahwe ne mu yi wo sa de ma
okay
so watimi aka say afa me ho a kire be ma obe ware me a ifi wo kɔ no say be ma na nya me a na hwe ne mu yi wo
Da Costa na adwene na wo kire
na adwene na wo kire nti wo kire wa oh ni aja wa sa me ye hu ani ma
yeah boys move no brotherhood like brotherhood all together because me nigga bi wo ha me ka asema wo tie no correct because kwa me fa so na me pese bi a me hu gbe ni suban ekwan bi so no ekwan me fa so aka che madam funu kura no he odon kura betina ni so e big keys no so what I say
now your intention is how ko say no not your intention
me say no na wale ni kwan wale o okay ana wo ba ma no kwa me catch wa kwa ba dwene ho ahwem ko so e movie bi so what I say what that movie be what should movie be cry ma o cry no e be cry girl as am red flag bi as o cry no I say odamo is be jimi njisa me sem na me be catch o no
na mo
ni me now so what I say
I'm not telling you so
no not to any so
if you're a girl no a good girl to the last
see no me tell my friend at simeni so no me not to any so nti Nana share my make some joy. Mema ho. Oze. Enkomo na ogun make an ogun stay say, yeah mema this year. Brotherhood no like loyalty no din yo. Oh. Oze like me share 5 but we say 3 bi o mo bo. Oh. Asembu a say dia go but nipa bu o ha da bi na share. Obu a otum say wuli di attack man nti ade bu ha. Into who make some natural make what to do more right to but if you could get a be one 1 or 2 be and I say oh me when you can be a action be ama sa action no wa adwene mu no e o say go be with me jamasi akwantin fi nti say me ka sa asem no chewa me so nam say me hu get no bad side there me hu like on say be ma there me hu say
but say ni pass sa ora
nana any pass sa but any paso do time bia esa asesa ni paso
ana na on say abrabo no papa ye bo no aware we say menua obeka experience a esesa oba no waware na susuban a oni wo dedi inkwala be mu susuban a oba
aware mu kuma wo tire sa bem kakra
so le
me say ni pass sa yo inti dia omebo senior mama ni all right but you know last be
last word
o ka say
me last word ma asam na ogu sini owe kan unim brotherhood na e wo wadam for obesoro eti aso say me ma wo nko ebe kom na wo ton sama no wo na wo to aduane ma no wo ne kwa na kada oni a wo na oje nti wunya aware kiri sa oba no on penesa woni sa ani par be ye free to no what yesim na so ties won say o ka say
na me na why what chira wa gine still be
na omu a ntoshe ma no bet adebu a shi so what I say ne me ni bu a o ntoshe ma no na ana wo de na asem na o ka no me asem na me tia me de hye me honam mu
ni ba sa
sa me tia asem na me de hye me honam mu say me de cause you won ko fobu anu mun na ma ase wo feel woni na bo feel no
na wo feel then
there be say
what funny say you asa wo
don so
all right that's why that's what get up give me your last word na yanko
okay media initial stages there now come press UCC back can't share Lego.
What can't you no?
When you come a set date there,
Lego on your
I
day.
just say me postpone date in the first place.
Okay.
Now me dream home, but Oba meaning say my best friend and madam for then at that day. A bet here for me so.
A bet here for me so what do you no?
So
now we have a bet here so any so. Inti say who ye UCC ni there. Legoni no. Say what do unko share Legoni ni shoe mu a. Na UCC ni abeka asam say a chana what there. A bet here for into be postpone date no. Na one ma oba ne chance why here no for baby 1 year more na. And I bet here for any so cry say or donasa.
I bet here for me because me to me nyasa stigmatization I say
yes
me wife for honor madam for no I bibi da
also evidence one phone
also evidence e be haunt me forever
okay.
You understand
All right so now the decision is get us say on there as a man no matter how or no bana bridge do be as the best friend on in the corner crana and no bana call out also evidence say I run in the court no obi oben no esa no oba no koshes our evidence into ono there onto me that's one ora could say ora okra one make decision o say wa obe catch wa dan for say there UCC ni catch lego
Yeah.
but say in fact say wo na to so a obe dey
Who never catch?
Me you men cry.
obe you ni dey
Me dog girl no.
ontimi nware oba ontimi nware oba
Yeah. Me hu nipa de.
that cost also they all say one day on measure from moment you ni oba no
me ma oba no chance am na explain the see na ma hwe me ne na setene mu na me gina no so dey disappear
setene amatene mu a be pem
because bi si ano no mfa me chi we ye oye ansa na mbe hu no
okay
eno mfa me
all right ogun so also say ebe torment o
Me so me dey be ha me ntimi wa. Me so me dey be ha me ntimi ma wonware. Me ware.
and also they also be wine but obe pamu adam for
me wa na pam madam
Odo kunu. Odo kunu.
ma or not say only the girlfriend na problem the girl to make catch and say was so that na me madam for no name order
o chance to so that
see madam for to me cause any madam for no kasa bio any madam for only no dey it we put on evidence
Yeah.
ebusiafo na chese baby a adwenkyerɛ ni nyina akwakodu no ɛyɛ nkomo nti ebi ekra na question bi wasem bisa on behalf of oba no kra na bi amentumi misa but me de meso mafutu am de mama abrantie emfase legon no say bemena enfom so onipa ho but akwai Africa ni nti no emema agyaage ema empranchia hodo echen omua mema no nso empranchia hodo a omatwe mimi momu de measure red flags am shia wo apeja a relationship before I can even try to believe the madam for na de eka kai say time na UCC and Salome baba ko out no sebe na baba no onimo say ade a UCC man hu dia ene ka baba no so ko onim say okotojam because ade a onim say UCC enim legon ena wo akoshan baby sa na twento inti no me feel say wan kasa sese abra wo hia baba no enema bebre awaye afi so hwa obema su a wo ye say e bia wo kra UCC ni no me ne wo call out na wo me
you see
I mean to me kan on pe masem ba wo me o kra kra me bibia but me hia dia on fama me on say sometimes no nyet say me ne o tia me cheat ye nti no me call ha so me cheat you but then yes
ba cheating no nana ko cheati o baby enema
she didn't know
says see me video na me won ye madam for
madam for so still
na pam no ya madam for pam no ya ti me defend me yere baby opa bi opa opon fa ko sen wie me don
you Yo, my grandbrother. I will say for Edamunina say said the community a delicate kakra because as soon Obiane said you take issues sifa. But yenina foot on the way, Nina who say me pa de me dwene ho say Anthony any Baba ako out say mean to me handle because so one no position that chin bia o de be bo Baba kutia and now the be bonus so and aso do e basa na entwaye because say time no oni Anthony won na onim wu Joseph ya and then wa ba be hia wo bibia mu eye kasa kire ene calculation nipa na anene so yi suba papa bi a kire wo na hu a kire boni bi a dia emfa ne past enjage me too much dey me so meka ntenuanom Madam was say, okay, yo.
Yes.
And then you need bravo.
Mia wezalo ye.
August, you have a training properly.
Bon arrivé.
Thank you so much, everybody. Thanks for watching. Mia wezalo ye.
Ana komono.
Yadam was say, Yadam was saying, because I share a backyard kitchen, YouTube. McBrown's Kitchen YouTube page in the soir. Any day, Bremo, me da si bri.